Lieutenant General Rajiv Ghai, the Director General of Military Operations of the Indian Army, heaped praise on Virat Kohli after the Indian cricketer announced his Test retirement. While addressing a press conference in New Delhi on Monday, Lieutenant Rajiv Ghai made special mention of Kohli before going on to explain the prowess of India's air defense systems with a cricket analogy. Leading a crucial briefing on Operation Sindoor on Monday afternoon alongside the three military chiefs of the country, Lieutenant General Rajiv Ghai said that he heard about Virat Kohli's retirement from Test cricket and shared that the former captain has long been his favourite cricketer.
ये जो डायग्राम आप अपने सामने देख रहे हैं, ये मुझे एक इंसिडेंट की याद दिला रहा है और मैं आपको इस उदाहरण के ज़रिए से एक ये एस्पेक्ट हाईलाइट करना चाहता हूँ। जब मैं स्कूल में था तो तकरीबन मेरे ख्याल से ये 70 का दशक था और उस समय इंग्लैंड और ऑस्ट्रेलिया के बीच में आज शायद क्रिकेट की बात भी करनी चाहिए, क्योंकि मैं देख रहा था कि विराट कोहली ने टेस्ट क्रिकेट से रिटायरमेंट ले ली। कई भारतीयों की तरह वो मेरे भी फेवरेट क्रिकेटर हैं।
The 36-year-old cricketer bows out after playing 123 tests and scoring 30 centuries. He led India in 68 tests, winning 40 of them, becoming the most successful captain in India's test history. It was a nice lead-up to the Ashes analogy that he used to praise the effectiveness of Indian air defense systems, which played a key role in the counter-strikes against Pakistan.
70 के दशक में ऑस्ट्रेलिया और इंग्लैंड की फेमस एशेज सीरीज चल रही थी और उस समय ऑस्ट्रेलिया के दो बहुत तेज गेंदबाज जो कि क्रिकेट हिस्ट्री में बड़ा उनका नाम है, जेफ थॉमसन और डेनिस लिली, उन्होंने अंग्रेजी बैट्समैन और उनकी बैटिंग लाइनअप को तहस नहस कर दिया था और ऑस्ट्रेलियंस ने उस समय एक कहावत निकाली थी, that from ashes to ashes and from dust to dust, if Thomo don't get here, then Lily surely must.
In the 1974-75 Ashes series, Dennis Lillee and Jeff Thomson headlined Australia's decimation of England. Thomson's slingshot action and raw pace yielded 33 wickets at an average of 17.93, while Lillee, returning from an injury, took 25 wickets at 23.84. Their relentless barrage of short-pitch deliveries left England's batsmen bruised and demoralised, leading to a 4-1 series victory over Australia. The pair's aggressive approach not only dominated the series but also redefined fast bowling's role in Test cricket, ushering in an era where pace and intimidation became central to the game's strategy.
Extra time! Extra time!